crab. See the crab. Oh, very angry. This is Sapa, another Assamese traditional fishing trap. And this is pond, small pond, and you see the bridge, bamboo bridge. And this is Zako, a traditional fishing item. Paddy farm, you'll see the paddy farm and tree, everything here, everything everywhere green. And then go, and then this is bamboo. You know the bamboo shoot, the small bamboo is growing up to the sky. See the bamboo. It's very nice. Very nice. And also here, this is he's doing something, it will go. And we are coming here to fishing. You see the pond here near the small river, and he's preparing. See, this is small pond. We catch the fish.
Hi.
He is going to the collect the fishing item, and we are starting the you know what is the call. The scenery is beautiful. See here. The scenery is awesome. You see the tea garden also, and a paddy field, and a bamboo, and everything is here, and the big tree, small tree, and grasslands, waterland, and fishing here, and also here is a small bamboo, it's a long bamboo. See, we are going to start water draining to the side, and you see here the fishing item is coming here. So he is preparing the this way. Okay. This is not a deep pool, but the river is very deep. You see here, and I going to make. And he going to drying the water tank, water pond, and water level is decreasing now. You see here. We don't know about how much will fish collect. The pond is draining now. Water is draining now, and slowly decreasing, and we supply the water to this side. You see here, and the good is continuing. Small fish, very tasty. And you see there, here the water level is decreasing. We don't know how much fish is here. And you see here, the crab is here. You see here, the crab going to inside the wood. Very angry, he is very angry. And you see. Oh, you see the fish?
You see the fish? Whoa. We call it sengli.
And you see here is a crab. Where he going? Where he go? Oh yeah. Here. Crab. See the crab. Oh, very angry. He's very angry. You see? Oh, I catch him. See the crab? He's very angry. Crab. You see the crab? You see the fish, we collect the crab and other fish, and local fish. Oh, it's very amazing. He is swimming now in this river. You see here, it's a silent time. When we are silent, we are coming here and swim. A natural place for swim.